Hi everyone, we're going to graph the piecewise function, the piecewise defined function. First of all, let's notice a few things. Where things are changing are where x equals 2. This is your domain values, or your x, and this part before the parentheses is your range, your output, or your y. So if we do a table of values, we would start with 2 in both of these cases. So let's graph this. Since they're both linear, so if I start with the first one, I want all values less than 2. So I'm going to start with 2. Instead of doing a table, I'm just going to plug in f of 2 equals negative 1/2 times 2, which equals negative 1. So at f of 2, we're at negative 1. And I do an open circle, open interval there. We have to get 2 because x could equal 1.999. You can't just go to 1 because it can get very close to it. Now at 0, if you plug in 0, that one's pretty easy. We're going to 2. So for all values less than, so towards the left of 2, we're going up 1 divided over 2. Up 1 over 2 because that's your slope. So the graph would be like this. And then you have your arrow. So for the second one, all values greater than or equal to 2. So here you just plug in the numbers. So if we had a table of values, x and your y, or f of x, 2 maps to 2, 3 maps to 3, and so forth. So we start at 2, and 2 definitely goes to 2, and it can equal 2. 3 maps to 3, 4 maps to 4, and it's linear as well. I'm going to go right through those corners on the grid as best as possible. So there's your graph, and we graph the two functions in pieces. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.